Hi and welcome to the Fairmont Hotel Vancouver. We've just walked into the room. It's very nice. We've got the two queen beds over here with the centre table with the lamp, alarm clock and phone in the middle. Lovely dark marble table. Over here we've got a nice little desk. We've got the two chairs, little lamp and a second phone and some in-room dining menus as well. If we open up the curtains, oh wow, we've got a very haunted little mirror over there. We have here a coat hanger, shoe brush, shoehorn. We've got a lamp. And then as we make our way around to the bathroom, we've got, oh yes, we've got the TV. Oh, nice bottle of water. In here we've got our bathroom. Let's have a little look. We've got a nice shower head up there with a towel rack. We've got our basin with soap. Toilet. Underneath the basin you've also got some spare towels and looks to be a hairdryer and spare toilet roll. Lovely big mirror. I like that there's another mirror on the wall as well. On the door, that's very handy. It is a very small and pokey bathroom, but it is very lovely, beautiful decorations, lovely aesthetic. In the cupboard we've supplied with robes and hangers, and there's some luggage holders in there. Does this open up to the other side? On this side we've got the iron and some drawers. In the cupboard here we've got a minibar, we've got some water, coffee facilities. We've got some exclusive Fairmont Hotel Vancouver nut mixers, some cups, some coffees. And then we've got the mini fridge in here with a variety of drinks. We're staying on level 9 of the hotel and it is one of the concierge suites. So we got the concierge lounge package. And there is afternoon tea at 2 till 4. So this here is the Fairmont Gold Suite. In the drawer we've got the safe. So there is a safe inside the drawer in between the two beds. Very beautiful. The chandelier piece is lovely and the decorations on the roof are very nice. Camera doesn't quite pick up the intricacy of the detailing. The main ballroom here, the Pacific Ballroom, is closed for the moment, so we can't get a sneak peek in there. The Fairmont Hotel Vancouver is supposedly haunted by the lady in red. I'm not going to use the word haunted because apparently she's very kind, so we'll see what happens.